Hi all, how you going? We've got another bunch of new stuff to show you. This is a brand we picked up recently. They're only been new in the modelling world for a while. They've done a lot of resin and all that sort of stuff, but they've moved into the kits. So what I'm going to show you is some of their 72nd scale vehicles first. This is the Russian model Army cargo truck, model 4350. These are fully injection molded. They're a little bit more detailed than your average 72nd scale kit, so the cost is a little bit higher. These are nice kits to do, and they make up quite well. So there's quite a bit of detail on the side of them, things like that. So just a nice kit. So that's one of the vehicles. They also do some armour. Now we have had this one before, but I thought I'd show it to you again. This is the VK7201K German World War II heavy tank. Weird looking thing with the big turret on the back. That's in 72nd scale. Again, lots of detail, all sorts of bits and pieces in it. Quite a nice little unit, so that's quite good. This is their M1A1A2 Walker Bulldog. M41A1A2 Walker Bulldog. This is, again, one of their nicer kits. This is quite well done. Lots of detail again, as I said. So they're a little bit more than your normal 72nd scale kit. So a little bit more work in them required. So that's quite good. Aviation-wise, they've been going into 48 scale, and this is their first of their kits that they've done. They've done the family of fairy fly catchers. Very hard to say. Fairy. So these are really nice. There's lots of detail in them, and there's a lot of information about doing different engines and things like that. So they've done that one. They've done the seaplane or float plane, as you can see by that. And they've also done the other engine. This is the late production version. This has got, I think, the different engine on it. So that's the three so far. The kits are lovely, but they will require some work to do to get them done properly. There's a bit of etched metal, there's a little bit of resin, I think. So they're going to take a little bit of more work than your average kit, but they make up to a very nice kit. So you should enjoy it, especially if, again, you're looking for that between wars type aircraft, especially Royal Navy, 48 scale. Great little kits to do. So that's quite good. They've also done some stuff in 1144th for the 1144 scale model. This is the 109E. Axis team or something or other it's called. So it's got all sorts of, there's a Swiss one and all sorts of other countries in there. No German ones, but they do a German version of it. So in 1144 scale, I believe it comes with the one kit. So quite nice. The thing I wanted to show you though is for a long time people have been asking for figures to go with their 72nd and 48 scale and 1144 scale aircraft. This is a new series from this company, Armory. So this is all little figure sets. This is the heavy bomber crew. It's got 5 figures in it, in resin. So they're really nicely done. I think, no, I can't get them out. And they're all different bomber crews, so they're all done up in the proper bomber clothing and everything else. Bit of resin to clean up, but they come up. Apparently they're really nice to see done up. So there's that one. This one that's 72nd scale. This one is 72nd scale as well. This is 3 figures, fighter pilots, and a dog. So there's a dog in there somewhere. There he is. So if you're doing up a little diorama with a Spitfire or something or other, a couple of pilots standing around and their dog, that's quite nice. So that's a nice little set. And then this one is the heavy bomber crew. This is another version of the heavy bomber crew, but this one's 1144. You can see they're really fine. So, you know, it's going to take a little bit of work to paint up. But if you're doing 1144 scale stuff, this is really good stuff. This one is this is just one of the RAF crewmen. You can just make him out in there. So if you're looking for those figures to build your dioramas around, then these are really nice. The figures themselves are well molded. The shape is really good. So they're nicely done. So it gives you that other option to play around with doing other sets. Other than that, that's about all I've got for you today. We've probably got a whole lot more stuff that's coming in over the next couple of weeks. Expecting all sorts of different brands coming through. So keep an eye out, keep an eye on our newsletters, and it's great to be back. Talk to you soon. See you then. Bye.